Today, I'm going to show you how to register an Taobao account from Chinese Taobao website. Even though you don't speak Chinese, it's totally fine.
First of all, you need to search your website www.taobao.com, and then you will also install Google Translate on your Google Chrome web browser, and then you click English so you can see all the English selection here and the words. If you have an Taobao account, you can log in. If you don't, you need to hit sign up here for free. Then you will see here is English, and click English and write down your phone number, and also you swipe over there and check the box. And this is Alipay account. Alipay account is kind of like a PayPal account. Once you're done, you can click next and you follow all the information.
So here I want to do some explanation. What is Alipay account? Alipay account is kind of like our PayPal account here, which you can connect with your bank account. I prefer to check that box so it will be easier for you to check out. You can check out by your credit card and any card. I think I use my credit card, it's no issue at all. So you can do that at the same. Recently, I bought a lot of items from China and ship here. And I'm gonna show you what I bought recently. As you can see here, the mannequin hairstand is very good quality with the steel island wheel here. This whole mannequin cost me about $55, the item cost, and the shipping fee is about I could say $30, so total is about $80 to $90. However, the retail price I check from eBay or Amazon, this very good material one cost me over $200. Here you go. As you can see, recently we got something like this is a portable desktop stand for hosting your phone, and a lot of the customer and the people, they order different individual items, group shipping in the whole giant box, and later we are going to spread out individually. And this is the people even order some napkin, I don't know. And something underwear. So the other one is my chandelier light. I will show you guys the next video once I installed everything. And also you can see the very beautiful chair cost me about $20. Let's see what's this. Oh, we got something here which is like a LED light. It's super amazing. And this fake flower I got from China. Total is cost me about I could say $5. However, in America, per one costs you $3. I'm a fashion designer. I import a lot of items from China. This is a fabric. Recently, I imported from China. This cost me so much less. They are all cotton and laying on here. I haven't organized them yet. So this fabric cost me about $2 per yard. In America, the most cheap one will cost you $7 per yard. Oh, and another thing is super amazing. This is made from metal. As you can see here, the table stand I imported from China cost me $30 for two metal legs. And then I customize granite here. The total budget is super low if you want to get a fancy table too. Sorry, it's about a little bit messy. Shh. This is a secret part. I'm going to tell you. You know all the eBay, Amazon, AliExpress sellers, where the resource they are from. They get all the cheap items from taobao.com. Today, you find the resource and the destination. However, you don't speak Chinese, and this really block your idea or your business. So here I'm going to tell you from my next video step by step how to order item from taobao.com, how to transfer your order to online fashion resource.com, the shipping company, and how to get them from there to your home step by step. The reason I introduced online fashion resource is because you do not require any minimum order as your item. you are going to group ship together with other customers by ocean ship, so you don't need to pay for a lot of a fee for the giant ship. You're just a part of it. So group them together, ship from China to USA, or you can choose express shipping. Only take you about 4 to 8 days here with very cheap price. I promise you, I have been using this for all about many years, have no issue at all. And here you go. If you like my video, please subscribe me, like, and if you have any question, just comment below. I will check and answer your question as soon as possible. Thank you so much to watch my video. Thank you so much to support me. Have a good day. Bye bye. Even though